Hey, welcome back, Sweden, to your Caribou Data Science channel. A big shout out to the 11 people who watched this video yesterday. Thanks so much. I appreciate every one of you guys and gals who watched the video yesterday. Before we get started, of course, we have a few requests that I have. First of all, of course, if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button. We're currently at 208 subscribers. We want to get to 210 by Sunday evening. Secondly, click on the like. And third, and most important of all, click on the share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter today. Also, you can copy and paste the link to the video into an email or text message and share that with your friends and family today, okay? Okay, before we get started, we also need to remind ourselves of the limitations of the data from Sweden, and that is that they only record COVID-19 data for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but instead add Saturday, Sunday, Monday's numbers on the Tuesday number, which of course produces a big spike. If that's not sobering enough, I got a very sobering question to ask you folks in Sweden today. What if COVID-19 never completely goes away in Sweden? Okay? How many deaths per year, considering that question, how many deaths per year, uh, COVID-19 deaths per year are going to be acceptable in Sweden? One other point. I don't know about where you live, but in America, cancer deaths and heart disease are counted a year at a time. There are no cumulative totals from day one up until today. The numbers, what I'm saying is that every January 1st, the numbers for deaths for cancer and heart disease are set back to zero. Okay? So the current year is more important than the previous year at this point. Okay? So that's just something to ponder. Okay? So let's go and take a look here. Okay. So because of these anomalies, because of the reporting practices, we're actually going to ignore the actual numbers and look at the trend, because the trend is our friend. You can see this long decline in cases here. Okay. And it may be that it's creeping back up here just a little bit, but this number is still 308 cases per day. Okay. You can see this is a 20-day moving average, the same downward trend. Now here is the deaths, the daily deaths. Started here and it finishes here. We've seen a nice declining pattern in COVID-19 deaths in Sweden. Okay. And again, here is the 20-day moving average. Here's the weekly numbers. Look how low these numbers are in Sweden, okay, for weekly cases and weekly deaths. Look at this long declining pattern in weekly cases, and a declining pattern here also. What about monthly cases? Well, this is going to be, this July is going to be the lowest number of deaths. It's all the way back, cases, it's all the way back over here. Don't lose track of that number either, okay? Look at monthly deaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 months in a row, Sweden has had a decline in the monthly COVID-19 numbers. Okay, that's the number I want you to focus. I want you to focus on deaths, particularly on daily deaths, weekly deaths, and monthly deaths, because that is how diseases are measured. They're measured by deaths and not cases and not hospital beds. Okay, don't be misled by the news media. Okay. Thanks so much for your time today, Sweden. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, the like button, and most important of all, don't forget to click on that share button. Share the video today with Facebook and Twitter. You can also copy and paste the link to the video into an email or text message and share that with your friends and family today. And again, before I let you go, a big shout out to 11 people who watched the video yesterday.